My name is Chander Shekher Aggarwal, and I'm one of the internal medicine residents, PGY1 at Batesville Health. Well, there were many. If I can, the most memorable thing would be staying in the hostel and hanging out with friends. So, night outs in terms of when you're reading a lot, you're reading overnight sometimes. So those are the things which used to going doing party with friends sometimes. Those are the things which are really close to my heart. So, since my childhood days, since my school days, when we were exposed to biology and all that stuff in science, I used to find human body pretty, interesting in terms of how it works. We know we eat food that is good for us. How are we producing energy? So, I started walking the way. I explored everything. Did my after my school, I enrolled for a zoology program in graduation. Learn more about the animal kingdom and the how their systems work, and some exposure to the human body in my third year of graduation. That is when I decided to move to the med school and appear for the exams. And during my med school days, I used to work as an academic developer. I used to prepare the packages for the aspirants who were planning to appear for the postgraduate exams. It's called a postgraduate, like the way it is the match process. We call it the postgraduate process, postgraduate exam, or the NEET exam in India. So I used to prepare packages for that when I was in my med school. Hard to say. I like every occasion whenever I get a chance to meet my family and my friends. Yeah, I would call it Diwali.
Diwali.
You get to eat a lot of sweets, my favorite, and you get to meet a lot of people. People bring different gifts. You give them different gifts. So it's kind of a different occasion to exchange your regards with them and meet them, greet them. Thank you. Oh, it's a caramel latte with a pouch of sugar. So it came from my mother. She used to say, when I was in my school, she used to say, be kind, work hard, and be humble. So be kind towards everyone you see. Try to be as kind as you can, and work hard as much as you can. Be humble no matter what. One would be my passion for white chocolates. So I can recall my internship days in India. There was this patient who was admitted who was a diabetic and who was in diabetic ketoacidosis, which later on developed an infection called as rhinocerebral mucormycosis. But they were from humble background, so they couldn't afford the medication, which is amphotericin B, required for the treatment. So I had to reach out to my attendings, I had to reach out to the administration, and we were able to arrange those medications for that patient with the help of a non-government organization. And they were so, the patient became well. Unfortunately, she lost sight in one of her eye, but they were so appreciative that the life was saved. And whenever during my internship year, whenever they used to come to the hospital, they would try to find me and come and say hello to me. So that was really, that was one thing which kept me motivated. These kind of episodes, they kept me motivated all the time. And I feel, this is just an amazing feeling, can't describe.